Yo, on behalf of the Client Finder team, I want to thank you and welcome you aboard. I know that you'll love this software. Now, some of the top marketers, who also happen to be my close friends, were given access to Client Finder before we launched it to the public. We wanted them to beta test Client Finder to ensure that the results we got could be replicated by others, working with a different set of systems and in different niches. The feedback that we got made us confident that Client Finder will help all our customers get more sales, revenue, and profits, because the leads they'd be finding using Client Finder would be highly targeted. Now, these expert marketers turned beta testers were quite blown away with the deep searches they could run and the kind of information they could gather about their clients before even contacting them. They knew that this kind of info will help them pitch the right tools to the right clients, and their conversions will skyrocket, sending their profits through the roof. But almost all of these marketers were disappointed about one thing: the limitation imposed on the number of searches allowed per month. You see, Client Finder helped them generate tons of hot leads, and they wanted to replicate these results in different niches for themselves as well as their own clients. Also, they could see the massive profit potential of selling these targeted leads as a service, and didn't like the idea of making limited profits due to limits on the number of searches they were allowed to run. These marketers are highly respected in their fields, and their feedback matters a lot. Also, right from the start, we wanted all Client Finder members to beat the competition in their niche and make profits that they have always hoped for and break into the big league. Keeping all this in mind, we created something spectacular within Client Finder. But first, let me ask you this. How does the word unlimited sound to you? Yes, I'm going to offer you the Pro version of Client Finder, which will give you the opportunity to run unlimited searches, find unlimited leads for your business or your clients, and help you make unlimited sales and unlimited profits. Now, get even better and faster results. The reason why everyone is upgrading to our Pro version is simple. The Pro version removes any limitations inside your software. While the main Client Finder license allows you to make 500 searches per month, with this Pro version you can make unlimited searches. You see, we had to protect our business. Helping you search for leads is very demanding on our servers, and it's very expensive for us. But to help our power users leverage the full potential of Client Finder, we upgraded our servers and other resources and created a separate system that is dedicated to servicing only the Pro members. Now, when you upgrade to Pro, your account will be moved to this new system, and you can search for as many leads as you want for yourself, as well as for as many clients as you like. This maximizes your profit potential with Client Finder. 50 searches per day, 500 searches per week, or even 5,000 searches per month. It doesn't matter. You have full freedom, and you can make as much money as you want, finding ultra-targeted leads as and when you want in whatever niche you want. This is why everyone grabs the Pro version quickly. Look, I'm very happy that you got access to Client Finder, and that's the reason I'm thrilled to offer you this Client Finder unlimited access at a steeply discounted price. But this offer only lasts while this page is open. We won't be repeating this invitation ever again. So if you're serious about maximizing your profits with targeted leads, this is your chance. Check out full details down below and relax knowing your low investment is covered by our risk-free money-back guarantee. Claim your access on the page and we will instantly upgrade your account. I'll see you soon on the inside.